I did not come to play with this one. I took a 30-inch Amazon wig and gave her a new life with neon green and titanium. She's loud, she's bold, she's icy, and she's 100% that girl. You here for drama and a full transformation, baby? This is here. Welcome back, Bookie Loves. In today's video, we are breaking down everything you need to know about this 613 13 by 6 lace front wig. Do you understand you? It is 30 inches. This is the Amazon frontal, baby, and we is giving body, slay, and neon green and titanium. Okay, mixed together. I am ready for this slay. Are y'all ready? Let's get it. So y'all already know your girl is jumping in with the shimmer lights, and I'm knocking out all yellow temptations when it comes to this wig, because your girl hated if I get a different type of color than what she's going for, okay? I love to knock out any type of yellow just to give it that true blonde that we all look for, okay? And that's what I'm doing in the meantime before we dip into this color. The color I'm going with for the top is titanium, because I feel like I haven't had, what I'm trying to say, silver in a long time, y'all. And silver, for some reason, it gives me that oomph. So I went with silver at the top, and we're gonna tie it in with neon green at the bottom. With the silver at the top, y'all, make sure when you do the dye, you are whisking that dye. You are getting any type of lumps and humps and bumps out of it, because let me tell you, if you get it on that wig in one little spot, it's gonna be hard to get it off that one spot. It's gonna be like one chunk of dye on one spot of your hair, and you do not want that. So make sure you beat it good, okay? Whisk it like you whisking some mashed potatoes, some green beans, whatever you need to whisk that whisk, do it. Put it to work, okay? Going in with the neon green on the end, y'all, I was really scared of this color, but as it came together, it became a baddie. She was her. She did what she came to do, and baby, when I say adore die, they did their big one with this one, and I am not mad at them. The wig is going to be reviewed at the end, y'all. Keep on watching as I work this color in, and I'll see you in a few.
You're a star. I just want to show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. To make her come check you, my babe. No time, no.
When you are using your dye, it depends on how much you want or how deep or dark your color you want it. If you want your color light, make sure that you do a squeeze of a little bit of dye each time. Build your color up. If you want a bold color, do as much dye as you can and then whisk it up, and then it's going to give you that bold color the moment you dip it into that wig. But if you're going for a light color, make sure that you literally put a little bit at a time, because baby, putting more and more is not good, okay? Because at that point, now you're giving a different color. And what I mean by that, y'all, your dye can literally turn your wig a different color. Like if your dye is blue, if you put too much at one time, it's going to turn that wig that color if you don't build it up, is what I mean. But jumping right into this install, y'all, I went in with the first we got some Dola hair little mousse that I put on top of the wig and the inside to see how it would lay. And baby, it really did this big one when it came to that tint and the lace and making it seem like it was my color. But I always go in with the Ruby Kisses number 15 to give it that little skin felt cut. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make sure she's coming out of my scalp. It's bleeding out of my scalp, okay? As you see, your girl is going in with 7 layers of glue. No, I did not put it on the video, but 7 layers of glue we do every single time, y'all, and I'm not kidding you. Come back to me. Come back. We do 7 layers of glue each time. After your 7 layers of glue, you should see a phenomenal, bald, clear scalp, okay? You should see nothing up there, no whiteness, no nothing. It should be clear. Once you see it clear, lay your wig in the placement that you want to lay it in, that you had already pretty much measured before you even laid your 7 layers of glue. So once you do that, I go in with my hot comb once I get it in the placement that I want it, and I hot comb it to give it another deeper melt to my preference. And from there, I tie it down within an hour. From that hour, your girl goes in and she go ahead and cut their lace, period. With that being said, keep on watching, y'all, and I will see you in a few.
Then I'll be right there. To make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. You bring girls to his location.
Yo, Cash, you made this beat?
Now that we got the lace cut and we got it in our perfected way that we wanted to, we take the Dola melting spray and I go around my edge line 2 times with it. The first time I go around it very, very closely with my finger and I blow dry it, and then I put the band on. Then we go back again and we'll repeat that step. So in that meantime, y'all, go ahead and watch how your girl keeps slaying and melting this wig. Can't tell me my mama ain't birthing with this hell.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you.
You're done with your 2 layers of your spelting spray. I go in with my Ruby Kisses and I put the foundation that is closer to my skin, baby, to go ahead and knock out the white line that it gives you right after taking that scalp off. I mean, the scarf off or whatever. You feel what I'm saying? You want to look like it's yours. You want it coming from out your scalp, period. Jumping right into these baby hairs, baby, they're not my best friend. They are my growth sisters, okay? We get the job done. We are not professionals. We are professionals, okay? We do what needs to be done. And in the meantime, keep watching how I perfect these baby hairs, because I do my big one with them, even though I hate them. You feel me? I use foam when I do them. I also go in with my flat iron and I flat iron them up. And then your girl go in with her little comb brush, whatever. And I go ahead and I swoop them down. Period. T.
Baby girl, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you
All the time,
in my dreams.
in my dreams.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
With colors for me, you guys, is like a therapy. I love it, especially coming out with the outcome. It's something about that last and that finished look. It gives you that, ooh, baby, it does something to me. This wig was beautiful. It did not shed as much. It had a little bit of I don't know, y'all. This wig was just all in all good to me. If you love this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next.